Hi friends and my dear students, 12th Mathematics, second volume, Application of Differential Calculus, Unit 7, Exercise Sum 7.8. Very interesting sum. Keenly observe, then you can understand the sum easily. Listen deeply. Now, a conical water tank with vertex of down to 12-meter height. Let us assume that conical, this is called conical tank. Are you clear? Conical water tank, vertex center we have to draw the straight line. This is called vertex and this is called 12 meter. Are you clear? Now, has a radius of 5 meters. Has a radius of 5 meters at the top of the conical tank. The radius is given by 5 meter. Now, if water flows into the tank at the rate of 10 cubic meter per minute, suppose if you allow to flow the water through the pipe 10 cubic, that is volume, that is equal 10 cubic meters, cubic meter per minute, not second, minute. Then how fast is the depth of water increases? How far the depth of the water increases when the water is 8 meters deep. 8 meters deep. Now, to calculate this value, this is a motto of our calculation of our result. This is the depth of the water increases when the water is in 8 meters deep. So, initially we have to assume the volume is given. Here the angle, vertex and the side, it may be called as alpha. Instead of theta, here we are mentioning the angle between the vertex line and the side wall is called alpha. Side wall alpha. Can you clear? தமிழில் சொல்ல போனால் ஒரு கூம்பு வடிவ ஒரு டேங்கு நடு மையத்திலிருந்து கீழே வரைக்கும் வரையப்பட்ட உயரம் 12 மீட்டர், ஆரம் 5 மீட்டர். அப்படி இருக்கும் பொழுது ஒரு மினிட்டுக்கு 10 கியூபிக் மீட்டர் வால்யூம் கொண்ட வாட்டர் விழும் பொழுது லாஸ்ட் the depth 8 meters இருக்கும் பொழுது அது எவ்வளவு, how fast is, அதான் கொஸ்டின். எவ்வளோ வேகத்தில் அது இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இப்போ படம் புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தென் from the as per the sum the given value h கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. h is known value called 12 meter. Are you clear? And the radius r, that is equal to 5 meter. This is also given. Are you clear? Now we have to imagine, let V is the volume. V is the volume of water. Volume of water. Volume of water. But volume of water of the cone. இதில் விட அந்த நீர் வந்து எங்கே உள்ளது? கோனுக்குள்ள. Volume of the water in the cone or in the cone, right? Then it's alpha b the angle between the vertex line and the adjoining wall line. This is adjoining tank side. நடுவரை கோட்டுக்கும் இந்த சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய சுவருக்கும் இடைப்பட்ட கோணத்தை ஆல்ஃபா எடுத்துப்போம். ஆல்ஃபா is an angle between vertex and side wall. This is the assumption. Now, according to the figure, we can find tan up. According to the figure, we can find the tan alpha. Tan alpha is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. This is hypotenuse, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Are you clear? This one is called opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Therefore, tan alpha is equal opposite side. You can imagine this is called V and this is called O and this is called A. Then how can we write OA by VO? Are you clear? O means radius, VO means vertex height. OA is equal to 5 by VO is equal to 12. That is equal nothing but 5 means radius. 5 means radius, given value, radius. Therefore, we can substitute the value of R. This is called, it is nothing but radius. And 12 means vertex height. Are you clear? Therefore, from this value, you can cross multiply these two things. 5H equal 12R. I hope you understand clearly. 5H equal to 12R. This is the first equation we obtained. Now, from this equation, we can find R equal 12. You bring this 12 in the opposite direction. Enarko 5H by 12. This is the value of R. Are you clear? Okay. And you have to imagine this is the equation number 1. Now, we know the volume. We know the volume V. Here V is called like this, capital letters. Volume. That's it. Why? Not இப்படி சுழிச்சா velocity ஆகிடும். அதனால் I am not curvature போடல, ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக போடுறேன். Volume of the cone என்ன? 1/3. Volume of this cone 1/3 pi r square h. This is the volume. Volume of the cone, conical volume is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. Do you have any doubt? No doubt. Then substitute the value of r. Substitute the value of r in the equation. We get 1 by 3 pi constant r equal to 5h by 12 whole square. Remaining that there may be h. Is it clear or any doubt? Is it clear or any doubt? Clear. Okay. Now simplify this. 1 by 3 pi square means 25, pi square means 25, 12 means 144, 12 square, 5 square, then h square into h, that is equal 1 by 3 pi 25 h cubed. Here you have to add these two things, then we get h cubed by 144. This is the volume. This is the volume. Are you clear? Okay. Now we want to find the increases water of how fast. Then we have to differentiate the volume with respect to t. When the time increases, when the minute increases, then the water flow inside the conical tank is also increases. That's why we are differentiating dV by dt. dV by dt. dV by dt is nothing but 1 by 3 is constant. 1 by 3 is constant. We are differentiating with respect to 1 by 3 pi, 1 by 3 pi, how much pi? 25 pi divided by 144. Here the variable is, what is a variable? h, or you have to differentiating with respect to dV by dt, then 25 pi, okay, 1 by 3 constant, then h cubed means that is a function that is varied, height தான் vary ஆகுது. அப்போ இதை differentiate பண்ணணும். இதெல்லாம் constant, h cubed தவிர. அப்போ இதை differentiate பண்ணா 3h square. Are you clear? dV by d with the rest, we are differentiating dV by dt h. Sorry. இப்போ என்ன கிடைக்கும்? நான் ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிருக்கேன், when you are differentiating h with respect to h na, then 3h square. Okay, h cubed. With respect to t போது திரும்ப another th by dt வரும். இது மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ். டிஃபரன்ஸ்ல மிக முக்கியமானது டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன்ல நீங்க எல்லாம் தப்பு பண்ணக்கூடிய இடம் இந்த ஒரே ஒரு இடத்துல தான் மெயினா இது வரைக்கும் ரைட்டா போட்டுறாங்க. இங்க தான் தப்பு பண்றாங்க. If suppose last sum I already given an example. h cubed வந்து t பொறுத்து டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணும்போது 3h square, then h டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணா dh by dt. Okay. Now this is the dV by dt. Sorry. Already we know the volume. how much the volume, the given volume of rate navenade dH by dt 10 cubic. Therefore we substitute பண்ணலாம். This is equal to 10. Then 1 by 3 20 multiplied by 25 by 144, then 3 here. And what height they need to find out the depth of the water increases how fast at h equal to 8. Therefore h equal to here h square h here h equal to 8. Therefore 3h square, it is nothing but 8 square. And dH by dt, what is the value of dH by dt? That's what we want to find out. This is the value we must need to find out, so that we keep it dH by dt likewise. From we have to keep here itself, remaining all you have to bring this side, left hand side. What happened? 10 into 3 into 144, are you clear? Divided by 25 into 3 into 8 square equal to 64. That's equal to dH by dt. Now 3 3s are cancelled, 3 3s are cancelled, and then 2 5s and 5 5s. Are you clear? Now this is 32, then 32, then 16 36, then 18 8, then 9 or 2 4, or in our day 18 by 4, or simply you can write 9 by 2 equal to dH by dt. dH by dt, that is called 4.5. Or where we have done a one miss, 5 வந்து நம்ம விட்டுட்டேங்க. அப்போ 5 நம்ம விட்டுட்டோம்னா 4 5 சார் என்ன இருக்கும்? சரி, இது கேன்சல். இங்கே ஒரு 5 இருக்கு, அப்படி விட்டுற போகிறோம். திரும்ப இந்த ஸ்டெப் மட்டும் நான் போடுறேன், கொஞ்சம் கிளியராக புரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். ரொம்ப சிம்பிளாக அதை சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். dH by dt அப்படியே வச்சுங்க. 10 multiplied by 3 144 divided by 25 into 3 into 8 square 64. Okay, இது 3 3 cancel, இது 2, இது 5. Okay, இது 8 ஆல வருங்க. 8 ஆல வந்தா 8 are 64. இங்கே 1 8 is 8, remaining 6. அப்போ remaining 6 means 8 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன இருக்கும்? 64 means 18. Are you clear? Are you clear? Now if you are divided by 2, then we get 9. Then you have to divide by 2, then we get 2 5s are 9 by 10. Are you clear? This is called dh by dt. Or what is the value of dh by dt? That is called 9 by 10. 9 by 10 pi. 9 by 10 pi. We already forgot about the 5. We already forgot about the 5. Yes, here also pi. So that when you bring this pi to the ground, then what happened? Here pi. That is called 10 pi. Are you clear? The pi நம்ம விட்டுட்டோம். The pi கீழே கொண்டு வந்து அங்கே மேலே இருக்கும். இங்கே வரும்போது என்ன ஆகிடும்? கீழே ஆகிடும். This is the final equation, and we have to give the result. dh by dt is nothing but 9 by 10 pi. What is the unit? Meter per minute. How fast na? Meter by minute. This is the solution for this sum. Very simplification. இந்த இடத்துல கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகாதீங்க. ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் தான். இந்த பையை நம்ம கேரி பண்ணும்போது ஏமாந்துடாதீங்க. Are you clear? Very easy sum, a very interesting sum. I hope you understand the sum clearly. Try to concentrate your mind to read all those things carefully and solve one by one periodically, and you have to repeat without refer the book, and you have to solve the problem in the notebook itself. Then you must make clear every concept. Thank you, my friends. If you are satisfied about these classes, subscribe my channel and refer to your friends, and click the bell icon. Click the all bell icon. Thank you.